All right, so tonneau cover 3-year update. How's it going? So the first thing I want to talk about is the tonneau cover. So when I installed this, I followed the instructions to the best of my capacity. But I do notice like some parts will still leak, like maybe right there, like some water might get in. Not much. Like my stuff stays dry because the ridges in my bed will like get wet in between the ridges, but it won't get wet otherwise. So honestly, like it's not that bad. But I do have to say, like, it's not completely waterproof. So, there's that. So I think that maybe, if you want things to be 100% waterproof, you're going to have to do something like get a, big cover or something maybe a bit more expensive that might work. But honestly, it served its purpose so far. I tried doing this fix here. It's putting a little rubber there. And it is wet right now. People are saying that like this will drip, and it'll go in like without this little rubber piece, it'll drip and it'll go into the bed. It's helped a little bit, but not 100%, but definitely worth like the $5 or whatever to buy a little bit of rubber. And you kind of just like you can see there. Let me see if I can do that. There we go. See, it's just a little rubber piece. I mean, it's definitely worth. It's going to help a little bit, but overall, I mean, the tonneau covers held up pretty good. You know, I think we're chilling here.